We'll be here, prosecution there. Don't be afraid to look at the jury. We don't want them to think you have anything to hide.
I don't like the idea of 12 strangers off the street deciding what happens to my daughter.
It's the American way.
They know nothing about me. If I could just tell them the whole story.
Allison, we've discussed this before. The key to winning this case isn't telling the jury desperate stories about being plotted against. Our job is to prevent the prosecutor from proving his case. Right now, he has the tougher job.
Why?
He has to convince 12 jurors beyond a reasonable doubt that Allison killed Mona. All we have to do is make one of them unsure.
One of them.
That's all it takes.